Action on. Woman with the plan. A sheer empower woman. Pretty lady representing for the Jamaica Labour Party. Forward with Crawford. PMP a farmer and informer. Root out corruption, Rastaman. Yeah, build back Jamaica. Build back Jamaica with social education. Educated and broke. You know how much are we still educated and still can't find work? Yes! We are grandfather shock, father shock, let you baby shock. We not care what you want talk. Yeah, family. And we say family, no okay. Jah will never give the power to a bald head. Because them color, you want come crucify the dread? Wanna know about Eastportland? You think so we are fool? Fun not have no reasoning. You felt out of school. Show. Pow, pow. Sit here. Bad vibes start, you know. One can't say orange and the next one say green without the heap of violence and argument a drop in. We're tired of the lies and the empty promises from both the green and the orange. But no squeaky clean. And right now, Jamaica can't manage. From the 1970s to the 80s, Politricks bring guns to inner city communities. Guns bring garrisons. Garrisons bring crime. So if you want to know who mash up Jamaica, check on the history timeline. Backside. When a campaign time, you see them nothing at the constituency. Them fix up the road them, give a t-shirt for wear, and them appear with frequency. Them do anything for get the vote. Me hear some all offer currency. But after all is said and done, them don't look back on we. Who not dead by gun? After they pan the run, I try escape poverty. Want me for say? I choose your talk. JLP have a party. PMP have a party. And my son's birthday, and I can't keep a party. You mad? I can't afford it, goodie. For politics, they everywhere. All in the workplace. You have to have connections. It's like a rat race. It's like a crab in a barrel situation. So them fire me and give them friend promotion. Happy birthday. But Usher Pelico, your mama pay could stretch to buy a present gear. Oh God. There is a politics relating to equal pay, where man and woman do the same job, but the pay split two different ways. Right now there's a politics. What's it true me talk like this? My vulgar, my careless, my scandalous, my improper. If I never want thing I tell him for go sure. Them the better than me. Duh. While on Jamaican busy a fight for color, on no sister China a take time take over. Right now we owe them $78 billion. And if we can't pay it, we soon can't drive per Mandela. Their way or the highway. All who did want to repatriate back home to Africa, that's why I forgot to ask permission from China. For due to some unpaid big rotted loan, China take over the people them prize assets. Me would have afraid to go back home. What could have caused this? Why you ask me? Me not damn nobody's spirit. Me no say no not for vote. Me just say out of the orange or the green, not one me not promote. People just scrape for themselves in a politics. It's like a national disgrace. Them a mash up the country till now me a here. Said Jamaica is not a real place. I will go win this election. Story soon come to bump. But me can't vote. Me there foreign. Me have to deal with Donald Trump. You don't have to vote. Just make sure you subscribe and follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah.